loves, welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to do some eyebrows, keep watching and don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get into these brows, okay? The first brow we're going to be doing is a natural brow. So basically, we're just going to fill in our brow. Pretty much, we just want a little bit of color. The only thing we're going to be using for these brows are just the NYX eyebrow gel and then just Anastasia's Beverly Hills, the eyebrow brush. I'm just going to fill that in. On the natural brows, I do a lot of spooling because I want these to be as flawless as possible and just to make them look more filled in than what my natural brows actually look like. And that's pretty much it. We just use these brows for like on the go. We just want something to pop just a little bit. That's it. Now this brow right here, this is a brow I will be doing for pretty much all my makeup looks. Still using the NYX eyebrow gel and the brush we used previously. I'm going to spool out the eyebrows and then make an outline for these eyebrows. We're going to go a little bit wider than what we did. We're not just going to just fill these in. We're going to actually make an outline. Then I really start going in and filling them in, and I go a little bit up before my eyebrow just to, you'll see at the end, like you see why I'll do it, but it looks good when I do it this way. Going in like an upwards motion, we're going to make like hair-like strokes just to make it look really natural in the front. We don't want that looking boxy or anything. So that's when we're coming in and spooling that out. Then pretty much we're going to be doing the same thing we did on that other brow onto this new brow and doing it the same way we did it before. Now this is the brow I feel like I always got to put more work into, or it's always difficult for me. I don't know. I got one trouble brow and Lord, it be giving me problems, okay? This is my go-to concealer for my brows. It's the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, I think. And then just like going slow with this process right here and kind of making an outline and going right underneath that brow and cleaning up all the stuff we don't want. Go ahead and start dragging some of that concealer down and start blending that in. Doing the same thing we did for that bottom brow, just doing it for the top. I don't use as much product for the top brow because I don't need all that concealer up there. Okay, so we want these eyebrows to be sisters. We don't want them to be late cousins, first cousins. Nah, we want them to be sisters. So we want them to look just alike, act just alike, all that. I'll go back in with the NYX eyebrow gel and just kind of fill that back in and like hit the spots I feel like need a little bit more color, or places I feel like I missed, and just touch it up really. Okay, so this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. You don't have to do every step I did, but I hope you guys take whatever you took and apply it to your brows.